you. Uh,
Mm-hmm. Yes,
She
Padma.
asked me that can we use put also in the place of post?
Yeah, we can use it, but just only one thing. So, Padma, uh,
Mhm.
1 minute. We can use it. There is no problem in that, right? Just only
Yeah.
one. Just I'm giving the clarity about this one, okay, guys. So
Okay.
1 minute, just in the Java only, right? I'm writing one public, sorry, public here. What I'm doing now, integer. I'm taking int, right? Public int. Just I'm taking what m1 method. I'm taking, right? Inside that, what I'm taking now, int a. I'm taking int. Sorry, int b. I'm taking, right? So not m1. Just take add, right? Just I'm taking what int public int add. I'm taking one method, and I'm returning what here. By seeing this method, what you can see it now, by seeing this method, what you can see it now, Padma, or other anyone can give, okay, by seeing this method, what purpose we are writing, what is the purpose of writing this method?
Addition.
Adding two
Adding
Adding two
numbers.
numbers.
Okay,
adding
but
two numbers and reconciling them
okay,
here.
but what we are doing now, we are returning a minus b, a minus b. Okay, so if I compile or run this application, any our JVM will give error?
No. No.
No, Ravi.
No,
No, no,
no,
no.
Ravi.
No, na. I no, come on. But what we are
No,
doing,
it doesn't.
No.
but what
No.
we are doing, we are misusing our method, right? Come on.
Yeah.
Yes, Ravi. It is not conventional name.
So right, and here means what, our method information is for the adding purpose, but what we are returning now, we are returning the negative, means what, subtraction,
Minus.
right?
A minus.
Subtraction, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, yes.
So convince to interviewer like this only. It's not meaning that, right? Post also we can use it, but what we are doing now, we are volating, mean we are stopping the rule of what, our post methodology. Get it the point?
Yeah, many more fields you are updating. That time you are using put mapping.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, updates, and
Yeah.
but we can, using what put, we can save also. There is no problem in that, but you, what we are doing
Yeah,
now,
yeah.
we are
Internally, it's calling save op. Yeah, it is
uh,
calling only save operation, save method.
yes,
Save
yes,
operation is calling.
but we are stopping the rule of what, HTTP rules, right? Some rules is there behind it. Okay, those
Yeah,
rules
yeah,
we are
yes.
stopping, and I know that is stateless, stateful, and all those things also there. Later you will get. Okay, in the mini project, I will
Yeah, yeah.
clarify all those.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Carry on. Yeah, proceed it, sir. Start it.
So I'm going to start our mini project now, guys. In the mini project, whatever from the day Spring Boot REST day onward, whatever things I explained, right, those things you will get, guys. Okay, those things you will get, but this is the mini project now, guys. Okay, in this implementation, I will give, I will not again explain what is the use of @request, what is the use of @body, right?
Yeah, okay, okay,
And
sir.
and
Okay, Ravi.
and in which situation, our whenever we will send our what JSON data, what annotation we have need, and whatever request methodology we have need, and all those things, just directly I will write and I will explain it. So now, are you ready? You guys need based on like what is scratch level again?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah. We
yes,
are
Ravi.
ready.
Okay, guys. So okay, good.
Yeah,
So
Ravi,
let's.
bro. Will you teach soap services also?
No. So I will not touch. Okay. So services I will not touch. Spring Boot,
Yeah.
Spring Boot REST, microservices, these things will be there, guys. Okay.
Yeah, in bank applications needed soap services. That's why I'm asking.
Okay.
Yeah, we have
So
definitely.
for that, guys, okay, I don't have that much time also to teach SOAP, as well as okay, please take care from other teacher. Okay. Directly I'm saying that, because
Yeah, yeah.
after then I'm planning to start one one real time project, as well as one data structure. Okay. When I will complete
Okay,
microservices,
sir.
after then data structure, as well as microservice, one project will be there, right? So I'm planning like this only. Even the people are asking me to teach core Java also. I will see those things. Okay, so I don't have that much time to teach what SOAP services. Okay, so
Yeah, okay, sir.
become dynamic, guys. If you know this much technology, then what is why you guys are not able to learn yourself SOAP services? Just little bit to design a structure of what XML. That is the problem. After then marshalling and an unmarshalling, just you guys take one like API. JAXB API is there. Based on the JAXB API you can write. But okay, but don't expect I will explain what SOAP web services. Okay,
Yeah, okay, sir.
mini
Ravi, sir,
project.
excuse me.
Mini
So our
project.
classes are Saturday and Sunday only, sir.
Yeah, Saturday and Sunday only, guys. Stop unnecessary question. I'm not going to give the answer, right? So let's start the session. Okay, mini project, right? I'm going to start what mini project? A project in Spring Boot. Spring Boot REST, guys. Okay, so whatever things I'm going to explain, guys, those things I'm here giving the headlines. Okay, so first I'm going to use what is that CRUD operation, right? CRUD application. I'm going to implement one CRUD application, and in that application I'm going to use implement what is that custom exception handling. I hope this question, whenever you guys little bit experience, whoever having little bit experience, whenever you will face interview, definitely 100% interviewer will
Absolutely,
ask.
Ravi, absolutely.
100%, there is no doubt in that. If interviewer is not asking, means that person also not having the knowledge, right?
Yes, Ravi, yes.
Without exception handling, if your interviewer is interview is complete, means the interviewer don't know anything. Okay, but when in Spring Boot Spring Boot rests are restful services, right? Without exception handling, your interview will not complete. Okay, if interviewer is taking the interview related to our rest. Okay, so third things I'm going to implement. What is that? Log4j, logging support in this application only, right? So after then I will implement in this application, right? After then I will implement in this application Swagger. After then fifth concept, our fifth concept will be unit testing. After then I will implement sixth implementation will be like UI. Our UI integration will be there. Our UI integration is there. So are you ready to see these things in our implementation? Come on.
Exciting, exciting, Ravi.
Definitely.
Yes, sir.
So, and just one person
Yes,
asked,
sir.
right? You are going to implement this project. You are going to explain based on the real time anywhere. By seeing this, right, headlines, you can tell anywhere. By seeing that, if anyone experienced person is there, right, that person will tell, yeah, this mini project is going to based on real time only, right?
Yes, Ravi, yes, absolutely.
Yes, sir. Yes, bro. I'm already said now in the before time friend project I am working now. So there is also some operations is there.
So okay.
But he is in his project using JDBC template.
Okay, but here I'm
Named
going to
parameter JDBC template he
no
is
issue,
yeah.
but here I'm going to explain what based on our application will be like JPA, data JPA. I'm not going to use JDBC template in the application. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, guys, so let's understand, right? Whenever we are working on what our Spring Boot REST application, guys. Okay, so Spring Boot REST MBC, then how many models, sorry, how many layers is there now, guys? Come on, anywhere, anyone? Presentation layer, presentation
Three
layer,
layers.
service layer, service layer,
Control, view, and model. Control,
layer.
view, and model. 3 layers.
DAO layer, right? DAO layer. Come on, presentation layer and a service layer and what? Service layer and what? DAO layer. Okay. Whenever our application will be there on what? Web, right? Web application. If our web application is there, then what? These 3 layers we will see, right? But whenever we are working in what? REST, initial only I said, right? Integration layer will be there, and what? Service layer will be there, and what? DAO layer will be there, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Okay, so okay, let's understand, right? Let's understand. But what? But whenever we are implementing what? Our REST application, guys. Okay, whenever we are implementing our REST application, right? So how many, right? Whenever we are working on what? Spring Boot REST application is what? Divided into 2 part, guys. Okay, divided into 2 part, right? Backend part and what? Front end part. Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, backend part and what? Front end part and what? Backend part, right? Come on. So
Yes, Ravi.
every time what we are saying now, guys, within the 7 minutes, 6 minutes, right? 7 minutes our meeting will end, guys. Okay, 24 member is there in the session. I want everyone in the session. Okay,
Yes, Ravi. No
choice
issue.
is yours. Choice is yours,
Yeah,
guys.
yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
choice
sir.
is yours, because right, if you are there, you will learn today so many things. Okay, so many things in the project, right? So
Yeah, I'm very interested, man. Now,
okay,
now teach.
okay, backend application, right? How many parts are there, right? Okay, our application is divided into 2 parts, right? So one part is what? Backend, right? Backend application, right? Backend application, and backend application is nothing but what, guys? Provider.
Producer.
Yes, provider, producer, same only. Okay,
Yes.
producer application, right? Our application is what? Producer itself only, guys. Okay, so here what? Another one is what now, guys? Another one is our
Consumer.
front end application, right? Front end application. Front end application is nothing but what, guys? Consumer, right? Consumer. But first what we have need to do now? First we have need to implement our backend application. Without backend, without provider, there is no consumer, guys. In the real time, without producer, there is no consumer, right? Who will consume? If I'm not giving my services to you people, you have the capacity to consume my teaching style? Come on.
No, Ravi. No.
No, so same like in the application also, guys. Okay, without producer, you can expect consumer will be there?
No, Ravi.
No.
No.
Okay, so okay, guys, so good. So let's move on. Okay, let's move on. So what? So our backend application is whenever we are developing our backend application, we are following one design pattern, guys. Okay, one design pattern. That design pattern is nothing but what? Layered design pattern, guys. Come on. Our application will be what? Come on, guys.
Layered application.
Design pattern.
Yes.
Layers application, right? So just now, just tell guys, how many layers just I explained now in the Spring Spring Boot REST. Come on.
Yes.
Integration layer, service layer, and DAO layer. DAO layer,
Yes,
right? DAO layer. Good. So let's understand our layers concept, guys. Okay, let's understand our what? Layer concept. Okay, so good. So what? Integration layer, first what is that DAO layer? We will develop what? DA data access layer, right?
Yes,
DAL
Ravi.
data access layer. After then what? Our data, where we are writing our business logic now, guys? Come on, sir, in the service layer, right?
Service.
Yeah,
Yeah.
service layer
Okay, but who is the exposing our what? Who is the exposing our what?
controller.
Our what? Business data.
Operations.
Business data integration layer, right? Integration layer.
Integration layer.
Okay, come on, guys. Now I'm able to give the clarity. I just okay.
Yes,
We
Ravi.
are
Yes.
getting. We are getting.
Okay, guys. So how, based on that, whenever first we will develop our what? First we will develop our what? Backend application, guys.
Data
Okay.
access layer.
First we will develop our backend application, then we will understand what this area, right? Then we will understand what this area. Come on.
Okay, Ravi. Okay. Yes, Ravi. Yes.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay, Ravi.
1 minute, guys. I need mouse. Okay. I'm using laptop mouse. So
Yeah.
now fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, bro.
Okay, in the application, guys. Okay, in the application, what is that? Based on that our database table, right? Based on our database table, what is that? Just think about that. This is our database, right? Database table means what? Our database table will connect with what? One entity class, right? One entity class is nothing but what? One model class, guys. Okay, come on. One model class will
Yes,
be
sir.
there. How many
Yes,
layers?
Ravi.
3 layers plus what? One model class will be there in our
Model
application.
class.
What?
Yes.
3 layers plus what? One model class will
Model
be there,
class.
guys. Okay, in the model class, right? Based on that our model class, our database table will be there, guys. Okay, so our model class, right? Our model class will be there, right? Model class will be there, and this model class will connect with what? Our model class with connected with what? Database table. Come on, now
Database
clear,
table.
DB table.
Yes,
right?
Ravi.
So one model, based on one model class equal to what? How many tables now, guys? Come on, one table, right?
One table.
Our
One table.
one model class will connected with what? One table, right?
One table.
Where our data will store na? Come on.
In database. Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Okay,
Ravi.
okay, good. So fine now, guys. So here, see this. Okay, see this here. What is that? We are going to use our what in the data access layer? In the data access layer, what we like technology we are going to use it now? Data JPA, right?
Data JPA, Ravi.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
okay, data JPA we are going to use what? JPA repository, right? This is the interface na.
Yes, Ravi. Data repository.
This
JPA
is
repository. Yes.
this is the interface, right? So interface, but this interface is what already there in the data JPA, right? Data JPA classes na. This is the
Yes,
interface,
Ravi.
guys. So whenever we have need to work on this data JPA repository, then what we have need to write it now, guys? We have need to write our own interface